Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome to Crypto Space, and in today's video we are going to cover Cardano and we are going to pretty much find out if we should sell all ADA now. But let's quickly have a look into crypto bubbles at the moment. As you can see over here on a daily time frame, many altcoins are pumping. That's Pulse, for example, up 10.5%, a Clay token up 22.3%, Chills token up 19%, and Blur up 20%, and many others, right? So guys, of course we are officially in the bull cycle. However, bear in mind that pullbacks are healthy. And now let's have a look over here quickly at a crypto fear and index. As you can see over here, we are back in greed. Yesterday we were in a neutral 52. So let's have a look over here quickly on CoinGecko at Cardano. It's currently trading at 53 cents of a dollar, with market cap currently sitting at 18 billion USD, with a 24-hour trading volume sitting at 306 million. And as you can see over here, we are pretty much experiencing a sideways price action, right? So I would like to share this thing over here. That's where I get my thumbnail idea from. Sell all ADA now. So obviously that article over here is telling us that a detailed examination K33 research asserts that the Cardano network suffers from a significant lack of practical application, which is essential for the inherent value of its native token. Now, Cardano supporters regarding the network's daily transactions averaging around 90,000. But there is nothing else going in the Cardano network than exchange transfers and group of backholders fabricating blockchain activity. Well, so I'll tell you what I think about it, right? So exchange transfers are what? Basically fake. That's what are they saying, right? That's the first thing. And second over here, guys, right, that article basically doesn't really correlate with this one over here, right? So as you can see over here, there are projections for ADA showing a bullish outlook. So as we can see over here, guys, up to, let's say, 2025, the maximum price is going to be around $1, right? So we are technically not even going to surpass our all-time high if it comes to Cardano. However, in 2033, Cardano is going to be sitting at price of $25. Wow, that would be great, right? So you see, that's the thing. In my opinion, there is pretty much FUD being spread out. Obviously, if you do have much more knowledge in that, let me know, guys. But that's my personal opinion. I just do think that institutions are interested into Cardano, and they would like to spread a little bit of FUD throughout, you know, these type of articles to shake out people off Cardano and potentially drop the price much lower. So that's the first thing, okay? And now to clarify all of these, let's have a look at DeFi Llama and let's check what is brewing up in the background, right? So obviously the volume is here, right? And we are currently sitting at $439 million in terms of TVL. So as we can see over here at the zoomed out chart, that was the peak of the previous bull cycle. And as you can see over here, the fees were huge, and now we are not generating any fees. However, if I'm going to zoom in, as you can see over here, Cardano does generate fees, and things are looking very healthy for Cardano, right? You know, there are many various reasons why price haven't really you know, spiked. I personally do believe is because Cardano haven't seen such a huge adoption like Solana, for example. And now, speaking about Solana, guys, you know, this type of a FUD, you know, was around about Solana as well, if we remember, you know, like before that huge pump when Solana was around $8 per token. You know, we saw plenty of articles like that as well. So I do believe that you know, Cardano is going to have its time in the market, however not now. And basically whoever spreads this FUD, which I believe it's FUD, of course I could be wrong, right? Whoever spreads this FUD would like to jump into Cardano themselves, right? Like big institutions, right? So let's go back now to a couple of charts that I would like to show you guys for altcoins in general, and of course Cardano included. So as you can see over here, the gas in channel channel just flipped green, and this is extremely bullish for alts in 2024-2025, guys. So as you can see over here, these green channels are pretty much long, and that is good for Cardano, in my personal humble opinion, longer term. If we are going to look over here, guys, we are pretty much getting out of that Wyckoff accumulation. As you can see over here, market cap broke out of the massive Wyckoff accumulation phase, which is going to be huge for Cardano and other altcoins. And as you can see over here, as per this indicator, it's altcoin season now, currently at 76. But all right, then let's have a look over here to Cardano, and let's have a look what we could expect from the price in the immediate short term. So as you can see, guys, Cardano already pumped high ever since October, and we already saw a huge gains being made of 183. I know you might say that they are not huge, right? But for big players, you know, 183%, I do believe that they are big gains, right? And we have pretty much been exhausted. I mean, Cardano has been exhausted, you know, ever since that peak that was at 67 cents, with RSI sitting at that time at 87. So obviously the consolidation was pretty much inevitable, just like over here, right? But that's obviously given us opportunities to scoop up more Cardano, as you can see over here, guys, right? So if we are now currently sitting at 47 in terms of RSI, it's going to be much healthier for Cardano to finally touch that line of resistance over here at 60 cents, and hopefully build up more momentum to smash through that support, then pretty much do something similar like this over here, right? Go a little bit sideways and then pretty much revisit this, right? Cardano is definitely being a slow mover in the market now. However, that doesn't determine Cardano's future, right? So please don't really you know, make your decisions based on that article. That's something that I just would like to point out to you guys as per news. That article was released a few hours ago at the time of recording this video. All right then, guys, so I hope that you've enjoyed that quick Cardano update. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss on any Cardano or other cryptocurrency updates. And that's about it. All right then, peace and love, crypto.